So, good evening, everyone. Let's start the class then. So, in the last class, we discussed about reinforcement learning. Okay. And in reinforcement learning, we have seen that this is some kind of action and reward. I mean to say, if your action is good enough, means whatever the output is coming, if it is as per the expectation, it is okay. Otherwise, some penalty is there. If means to say reward is there for good, means and penalty is there if it is not working properly. So that's why it is some kind of what reinforcement base, means we try to improvise ourselves at every stage. That's why the term reinforcement learning. Okay, let's admit on. Next, if you look at this diagram, you'll find here that here we have classified this into two mainly. One is, supervised learning, and another is unsupervised learning. And in the supervised learning, we have classification, and under the classification, we have different algorithms like, uh,
ক্লাস
name,
কৰি আছে চাইটো স্যার
decision trees,
বাকি এটা উঠবো
vector machines,
ওডনো कहाँ गया
logistic regressions,
कहाँ भाग गया
right?
हाँ रूम इतना जल्दी कहाँ भागे किसमें भाग गया
Okay. Excuse me, close the door, please. Hey, Roza Mara. Okay. So these are some famous algorithm in our supervised learning. Okay. And in case of regressions, we have linear regression, support vector regression, decision trees, Gaussian progress regressions, right? So many other algorithms are there that falls under here. And in case of unsupervised learning, popularly we have few like Gaussian mixers, k-means, boosting. I hope you can recall the begging boosting part of our machine learning techniques. I think, no, your Sam have not got it yet. Okay, no problem. In unsupervised learning, we have Gaussian mixers, k-means clustering, boosting, hierarchical clustering, close the door. And these are the different algorithms that we frequently encounter when we have unsupervised learning model. Okay. Next thing is that what are the steps that involve in machine learning? I hope you can see my screen, right? Is it properly visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So first step, you can see here that always our first step is to know the problem, right? For what actually we are going to develop the machine learning model. Okay. Say, just 1 minute.